Welcome back to Rolling with Autism. Today I am Mommy Handyman. With Donnie laid up, we are having to winterize our trailer. It's going to be 4 to 6 weeks before we can go out again with his cast, and yeah, for the first time in 3 years we're getting a snowstorm. A baby one. Hoping for a big one this year, so it'll kill all the ticks and all the other little critters that like to crawl on me while camping. So this is Autism Winterizing 101. Addison got home from his dad's today. He did not sleep at all. We are still having trouble getting him to sleep at all at his dad's. I really believe it's that he doesn't see his dad very much and he wants as much time with him, or it's his dad's mattress. So we've tried the DVD player. That didn't work. We tried it for 3 visits now, and it worked one time but not all the others. So still brainstorming on that. If you guys have any suggestions on what to do with your kiddos where you when you travel or when they go stay over at someone's house, let me know. Pardon the dogs. The neighbors got new dogs and they're really barky. So let me show you what we've done already. This is our water heater. What we did is we went into the camper and we opened up all the valves. We turned on hot and cold water, bathtub sinks, and then took a wrench that was 1 1/16. Yeah, not pretty, per big, and opened up the drainage and drained it. It's very important that you open up the vents. Last year when Donnie was unwinterizing it, the bolt shot halfway across the driveway. So, note to self, don't do that. Second thing we did is I was made aware that I'd have to crawl around on this ground, and we've had a lot of rain, and as you can see right up underneath here, it is draining. So that is our freshwater tank that we are draining right there, and just had a small bolt on it that we used just a regular socket wrench on. So that's how far we've come. We went to the automotive store and we got our lovely antifreeze, and this is the antifreeze that you have to use. So after consulting a lovely YouTube video on how to winterize your trailer, we figured out that what we exactly need to do. So right now what I'm looking for is this. We're going to put the bolts back on, put a little bit of plumber tape on it, just so it gets a nice tight fit for the winter, and we're going to put this bolt back on. I am not meant to be on the ground. So, thank goodness for YouTube. Someone made a makeshift funnel out of a plastic bottle. Just cut a little section out of the top, insert it in here, and then just start pouring your antifreeze in. How smart are they? I love YouTube. So we're going to put about 2 in here. This is our freshwater tank. We're going to put about 2 of these in here and then run the lines. Well, that's it. I can now add winterizing a trailer to my list of trades. I want to say a special thank you to YouTube for having videos on how to do this, and to my lovely husband who has more patience than any man on the planet that I know. That's it for this video. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to our family. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for hanging in with us. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like up our videos, turn on that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Bye! What is it? What is it? Is it your first snow? Is it your first snow? What do you think?